In this video, I'll show you how to see everyone in a Microsoft Teams meeting by switching to Large Gallery View. First, open Microsoft Teams on your computer or mobile device, and make sure the app is updated. Once you're in the app, join or host a meeting, then click the View Grid menu in your meeting controls. Now, select Large Gallery. This lets you see up to 9 participants on your screen. To view more people, hover over to Max Gallery Size and select how many participants you want to see. You can also use Together Mode, which places at least 4 participants in a shared virtual scene using AI segmentation, making it feel like everyone is in the same room. If you want to focus on a specific participant, right-click their video and select Pin to keep them visible at all times. To highlight someone for the entire meeting, right-click their video and choose Spotlight. You can also move participant videos to the top of your screen for better eye contact while content is being shared. Just open More Options in your meeting controls and select Show Gallery at top. There are more options available as well, such as hiding yourself or removing yourself from the gallery. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.